We cannot say that whether this is an AI or an actual person, but the fact is this is the video that is being circulated. And definitely, he is not the president. The material that you are seeing here are really the enhanced video material which they unblurred. So ito po mismo, yung talagang video na binlur nila, pag natanggal na yung unblurred, ito yung real image. So indeed, the intention is really to make a misrepresentation. This impostor trying to present himself as an image of the president doing unsavory acts. So this is really malicious, and this is already borne by the forensic investigation done by the NBI together with the PNP.
Immediately we conducted sort of open source AI processes. We captured the photo from the image taken from the entry page, the subject entry page. We will post the name of that entry page. And then from there, we try to remove the background of those images. And then we blur and enhance the photo. And then we transform the pixelated subject photo into a high definition image.
So as you can see, no, from the two photos that were presented as done spectral analysis from the video spectral analysis, you can see that this is the triangle notch here are embossed compared here, which is not that embossed. Also, the intertriangle notch is larger here. This is narrower in this picture. Also, the anti-triangles here is more embossed as compared here, which is not embossed. So it means this picture is definitely not the same.